Begin all things by first using the all. Greetings. I'm here today to talk about my statutory declaration, which I have sent off to the Honorable David Eby at 2909 West Broadway, Vancouver, BC. And I have the receipt and the confirmation right here. This is the confirmation of delivery. And this is a statutory declaration in accord with the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. This first part here is in French. It just says Acte de Naissance, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, which just means statutory declaration, liberty, equality, fraternity, Republic de Haiti, number 35823J.2427. I, James Romain Benjamin Doucet Pratt, now known as Xaragua Bohichu Maguana Quisqueya, do solemnly declare, in accord with the 1931 Statute of Westminster, 1778 Articles of Confederation and Perpetual Union, Art 11, 1812 Treaty of Ghent, 1794 J Treaty, 1836 Treaty of Marrakesh, Morocco, all recognized and valid treaties. Constitution for the United States of America, the 1948 Charter of the United Nations, Pope's Apology to Indigenous Peoples, United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, UNDRIP, the American Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, and the UN International Decade for People of African Descent, that upon discovering that the registration of live birth on November 10th, 1991 in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, was a contract between my mother and Port-au-Prince, Haiti, who did not tell her she was selling me, a flesh and blood child, to Port-au-Prince, Haiti as their chattel property, slave, which is a violation of human rights. I hereby void the contract ab initio for fraud. I am an autochthon, flesh and blood male of Taino and Arawak descent, in accord with the United Nations Declarations on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples and HJR 194. United States Senate Apology to African Americans for Slavery, U.S. Apology to Native Americans, see Department of Defense Appropriations Act, and Regina v. Ja. On May 14, 2011, at Southwark Crown Court, English Grounds in Southwark, London, England, defendant John Anthony Hall in the United Kingdom proved before an English jury that Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor Battenberg Saxe-Coburg was not the rightful monarch and never was. Queen Elizabeth is not the rightful monarch and never was. This was a two-part argument. First, that Elizabeth knew both then and now that she was crowned on a fake coronation stone instead of the real stone of destiny, coronation stone, which meant not only was she never properly crowned, but secondly, she was also knowingly and fraudulently conning the public, and that is why she didn't want her coronation televised. Planetary notice of active claims. Elizabeth II has abdicated her throne by not wearing the crown. On October 16, 2019, Chief Nanya Shabuel, all rights reserved, has claimed the British throne and is autochthon, chief, plenipotentiary, magister in right of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth and Earth. Planetary notice of active claims, published on Facebook November 27th, 2019. Elizabeth II has abdicated her throne by not wearing the crown. Chief Nanya Shabuel, all rights reserved, has claimed the British throne and is a Tocthan, chief plenipotentiary, magister in right of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth and Earth. I declare that the name James Doucet on the registration of live birth is a corporation, and Xaragua Bohichu Maguana Quisqueya is an Autochthon, flesh and blood male of Arawak and Taino descent. I am not a corporation, artificial person, natural person, fictitious entity, or vessel of the United States, defined under Title 18 U.S.C. Section 9, and I give notice internationally, domestically, universally, via declaration that I deny corporate existence under all my rights unalienable, and otherwise I am an autochthon, indigenous of this planet, and I make this solemn declaration conscientiously, believing it to be true, and that it is the same force and effect as if made under oath. And we have here affirm to and subscribe before me at the city of Courtenay in the province of BC. Notary Public in and for the province of British Columbia, PPSA 63.1 without prejudice. We have Tom Finkelstein's stamp and signature and my signature right here. I also have it on this one. And this was amazing to have gotten done because I have gone to all the notaries here in the Comox Valley and talked to some of the lawyers here who all do statutory declarations, and none of them wanted to sign my document. And I asked them if there was anything wrong with the document, and they said there was nothing wrong with it. They simply just didn't want to witness the document, and basically gave no reason for not wanting to do it. So I am very grateful for having Tom Finkelstein sign this document. Gratitude to him. And I want to say gratitude to the plenipotentiary, Chief Nanya Shabuel, and his wife Sa Aset Tarawet Al. Much gratitude to them. And I just want to say that I am white, I am white, I am white, and white is a person having origins in any of the original peoples of Europe, the Middle East, or North Africa. Abi Gador, Abi Gador, Abi Gador.